Hello, I'm Michael Santos with michaelsantos.com and federalprison.com. And if you have been charged with a federal crime, the time is now to begin positioning yourself for the lowest possible sentence. Now, you want to take your own initiative. You don't want to just outsource these decisions to your defense attorney. Let me explain to you why. Your federal judge or your judge, whoever is going to be determining the outcome of your sentence, is going to be determining your case, is going to have some very specific information in front of him. And he's going to base that decision on that information. He is going to be hearing from the prosecutor, who is certainly not going to be painting a very favorable picture of you. Second, he is going to be hearing from a probation officer, and that probation officer basically is going to be taking the information from the prosecutor. It's almost a verbatim copy of what the prosecutor says. Sure, you'll put your information in there, but it's not going to be favorable in such a way as recommending you for the lowest possible sentence. In addition, he's going to hear from your defense attorney, and your defense attorney will certainly provide the legal reasons on why you're worthy of a lower sentence. But I want you to think a little bit. If you're a judge, what do you do every single day? You listen to prosecutors, you listen to probation officers. In fact, you're probably a former prosecutor, but you listen to defense attorneys, and regardless of what their client has done, that defense attorney is going to be making a case on why that individual deserves a lower sentence. What you need to be doing is positioning yourself so that you are articulating the reasons. That means you've got to show every aspect of your life. You've got to be describing what happened to you in the third grade. You've got to be describing what teachers had an influence on you. You've got to be describing how you have contributed to your society. You've got to be describing what you've learned from this process. You've got to be describing the mitigating factors that influenced your decisions. Why? Because the judge rarely hears from a defendant who has taken the time to truly introspect, to truly articulate the reasons why he is worthy of the lowest possible sentence. He hears it from defense attorneys every single day. But the defendant needs to invest the time, the energy, the resources to truly document why he is remorseful, why he will never stand before this judge again as a defendant, why he is worthy of an alternative sentence to imprisonment, or certainly if you can't avoid imprisonment and get probation or community service or home confinement, explain why you should serve your sentence in the lowest possible amount of time. And you've got to ask yourself, how important is this to you? Because if it's important to you, you will take every possible step. Now, I can't undo the past, but what I can do is provide the benefit of my experience, and I have a depth and breadth of experience that is unmatched. I encourage you, do your due diligence. Look me up. Visit my books, visit Amazon.com and look at all the books that I have written. Do a Google search of my name, and you will see what my journey was like through 26 years in federal prisons of every security level. You will read that I have written these types of programs for countless individuals and helped to position them for the lowest possible sentence given their particular circumstances. So if you're interested in sentence mitigation, alternative sentencing strategies, if you are interested in investing the time, energy, and resources to position yourself for success, then contact me. I am Michael at michaelsantos.com, Michael at prisonprofessor.com. If you don't want a personal prison consultant, then I urge you, read the books, listen to the podcasts. They're available every day on the Earn and Freedom Network. I am Michael Santos with michaelsantos.com, and I'm here to serve you.